Hi friends, welcome to Royal Chess Club. My name is Murugan. I am a federated chess player, chess coach. This video topic, how to win chess pawn ending. I explain basic pawn ending, chess pawn promotion and basic queen ending. If you like this video, give me a like, share your friends, subscribe Royal Chess Club and follow Royal Chess Club face page. Thank you. I start the video. Basic pawn ending. First, I explain the basic opposition, vertical opposition, R file opposition. Next, horizontal opposition. Next, diagonal opposition, diagonal direction, distance opposition. Fifth, long distance opposition. Five type opposition in pawn ending. Chess basic pawn ending. White to play, white move, e5, king vertical opposition, king move f8 or d8, king capture the e8 square and d7 square, king move, d7, pawn push check, pawn push check, king move here, pawn e8 immediate get promotion, special rule, pawn promotion rule, clear winning advantage. I will explain how to win this position. Black play c7, queen move, e6, control the L-type method, king move, e7, king move d square, check, king play the square, king d6, king play here, king opposition, king move, b6, queen b4, only two options, horizontal opposition, king move this square or this square, queen b7, checkmate. White win this game immediately. If you like this video, give me like, share your friends, subscribe Royal Chess Club and follow Royal Chess Club Facebook page. Thank you.